I'm a mate to the team pop. Who's call for the what's where the feet pop. Fuck with this, with make, with fight with me. Who come with you and fuck you. Fucked up bitch with fight on who's coming, who's on my side. I clean with the mood running up the seas. Everybody's the make to the come, my freeze. Just upon the sharp for the squeezy beat. I got your groovy hop for the monster seat. I see the when the mall for the rap seat up. Cool and gangster with the shit that fucked up and the horn that fucked up. Biggest small Jesus, on Jesus reasons, the freezes. Yeah, I hate the right to fees on the morning. Good morning, I still dying with the whole suicide swarming. Wrapped in the whole crash burden. To his house for the suicide morning. To his 100 the killer how the cook and Nasra. Shit the burn, everybody's the next guy the learner. Next the car, everybody's the pills that are caution. Some more and some more, anymore. You watch the call to the children and children kids. I'm a fucked up in the liver on the rapid this still just to make a clip some tune. Fuck this to make a hole to the brick bowl. Some calls to the level to the brick board. Spring calls to the mix to the hot course. Shit calls for the cause and the cause more. Any more the rapper to cause the sweetie horse and the sword my chain. Everybody's rain the little wing. Fuck the fight with the fire when the fire pop. Who's the monster come coming up. I'm a killer, all the people in the fucked up with my guns. Schooling every day fucked up and all the when the walk this. And which tells the when the time for the daily time. Fuck the hell in the Brooklyn sky. I'm a healthy harder coming to the human summon. Robot is the user, rubber about the fucker humming. Who's my shoes with my ruse and the red suits. And the red cap infuse the blood season. Fire hops with the micro hops. 2 times the break it pop. Put it on the Jeezy Honda with God is the Sweezy Honda. What you talking about? The easy when I fucking do the freezy hit bout. And with best to be easy. It's the remake for the fucked up clan. Everybody's on the healthy horse man. Ain't gonna stand, fuck you.